Oh, hello. Let's check out the room. Here's the bedroom. Le closet. Light switch. The phone. TV. A couple of drawers. Here's where the alarm is. And to switch the controls for the blinds. Watch our step. Going down to the living room. Got a little desk. A view of the strip. The pool. TV. Let's see what's in these drawers. Ooh. And the fridge. Another TV. Another TV. We're going to watch the same stuff on both TVs. The closet. Let's check out. Ooh. Shower, tub with a mirror so you can look at yourself while you're in the tub. 2 sinks. Let me guess. The royal throne. Oh, look at that.
What?
There's a phone inside the toilet.
Yeah, in case you fall.
In case I want to call Donald Trump. That's the direct line to the president. A little place to get ready for the women. Ooh, hair dryer. There's outlets over here too. Outlets in the tub. So you can shock yourself.